sometimes you just need that extra and you want to have a little heavier foundation on. I'm Kelly Mashbitz, your Tampa Bay beauty expert, and I'm going to show you how to apply heavy makeup. So what I've got here is a cream to powder foundation base, and it's thick like a, I'm going to say like a pudding or a little bit thicker than that. And I tested it already on Nanette's skin right here along the jawline to see that it was a good match for her. And the trick to applying is using a makeup brush and really blending it down and out into the skin. So you really want to use your brush and move that foundation down and onto the skin so you can't see where it starts and where it stops. This really helps if you have well moisturized skin, so it'll glide on a little bit easier. And you can wet your brush so it will also not soak up as much product and go on a little bit smoother. So here we're just going all over. Making sure we're covering every inch. Because when you're wearing a heavy makeup, you will see where you don't have it. So you want to make sure that it's blended in well and that you don't skip any area. Go right down under the chin and the jawline. And around the creases and the nose. And around the lips. Need a little bit more. So you don't want to see any brush strokes. Look straight up for me. You take it right under the eye, next to the lash line, that delicate eye area, so don't pull too hard. But with this heavy foundation, you may see that you don't have to use a concealer. And there you go. And you can even smooth it out a little bit with your fingers. Get that really nice, flawless effect. So that's how you apply heavy makeup. I'm Kelly Mashbitz, your Tampa Bay beauty expert.